bunnies with the mommy. That's angry mommy over there. She doesn't want her babies will be touched. She got 7, but there's one died. 6 babies now. Healthy babies. A bit closer. Very healthy babies. See another babies in other. That is our new babies. There are 9. Actually there are 10, but also one died. I don't know what happened. They're just born just this morning. Very little ones. But still over there. These are whites. The other one is like the mommy. Mommy, that one. Like a Looney Tune. Very cutie pie babies in there. That's mommy rabbit eating some food. And 9 little running. Eating bunnies. They are 1 month and 8 days. And we have another new babies.
Good morning. Hi, little rabbit. Hi, little white rabbit. Here's another little bunny rabbit. Cute little baby rabbits. Eating kangkong, huh? This one must be very soft. Hello? Hello, I'm cute. Hello. What happened to your eyes? What happened to your eyes? Hello, Pee. Hello, Pee Rabbit. Cute baby rabbit, ah. Alright, you gotta jump? No jump. Baby rabbit in there. I get the white rabbit. Hello. Tap into your eyes. Bye. Look at that cute there. There, with the mommy eating the leaves. Hello. Bye. Hello, bunnies. Hello. Cute. My little.
Are you happy with the bunnies?